Guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are reacting to found footage EAS tornado by Illick. I'm sorry if I'm saying your name wrong. But tell me in the comments if you think, even if the comments are turned on, which they're most likely not, tell me if the microphone sounds good or not. But yeah, let's get into this.
This started around 9 last night, and it hasn't really stopped since. It's about 1:30 now, and we've had rounds of hail and bursts of really high wind. Oh shit.
Oh my gosh. By the way, guys, sorry for the language that's coming from the video. I can't control that. Why does your living room look like that? That looks like the most boring living room all time. Boy, what the freak is going on? Why is your TV tweaking out? Hey. Gosh dang. 1 a.m. This is all happening at 1 a.m. 1 in the morning. Now, a tornado during the day, that's scary enough, but a tornado at night, that is terrifying. Bro, go into the basement! This dude's an idiot. This dude's an idiot. Y'all hearing this right now? Error, no signal. Well, yeah, because of the dumb person. Hey, beep bop beep bop bop beep bop bop beep bop 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 beep bop boo. Yeah, dude. That was crazy. That was crazy. That was insane. Oh my gosh. I hope you enjoyed that video. Until then, God bless you.